If you've ever written a sentence and felt like something was off, but you couldn't quite tell what it was, Grammarly can help fix that fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to correct sentence formation on Grammarly step by step, so you can clean up run-on sentences, sentence fragments, awkward wording, and structure issues in just a few clicks. This is especially helpful if you want your writing to sound more professional, more natural, and easier to read. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your document or text field where you're writing. If Grammarly is installed and active, you'll see the floating widget in the bottom right corner of your text field. Click that widget to open the full Grammarly sidebar. This is where Grammarly shows you all of its suggestions in one place. So instead of checking your text manually line by line, you can review everything from one panel. Once the sidebar opens, start by looking for the red alerts. Red alerts are the ones tied to correctness, and these are the most important when you're trying to fix sentence formation. Grammarly uses these suggestions to catch problems like run-on sentences, fragments, and faulty parallel structure. These are the kinds of issues that can make a sentence confusing or grammatically incorrect. If you see a red suggestion, click it to review Grammarly's recommendation. In many cases, Grammarly will show you a green suggestion you can apply right away. That green suggestion is often the simplest and fastest way to fix the sentence. For example, if your sentence is too long and runs together without the right punctuation, Grammarly may split it into two cleaner sentences or add the needed punctuation for you. If it catches a fragment, it may help complete the sentence so the thought is fully formed. And if the issue is with parallel structure, it may rewrite the sentence so the parts match more naturally. Now let's talk about how to handle the blue alerts. Blue alerts are tied to clarity, and these are really useful when your sentence is technically correct but still sounds awkward or difficult to understand. Grammarly may flag things like awkward word order, misuse of passive voice, or split infinitives. These kinds of suggestions help make your writing smoother and easier to follow. When you see a blue alert, click it to see Grammarly's recommendation and decide whether the change improves the sentence. Sometimes the original sentence is okay, but the suggestion reads more clearly. Other times, the rewrite may be better because it puts the words in a more natural order. If Grammarly suggests changing passive voice to active voice, that can make your writing sound stronger and more direct. And if it points out a split infinitive, you can review whether the sentence sounds better with a small adjustment. The key here is not to accept every single suggestion blindly. Instead, read the original sentence and compare it with Grammarly's version. Ask yourself one simple question: does this correction make the sentence clearer, smoother, and more natural? If the answer is yes, apply it. If not, keep the original and move on. That's the best way to use Grammarly as a writing assistant without losing your own voice. As you go through your text, keep checking the sidebar for additional correctness and clarity suggestions. You can work through them one by one until your sentences sound polished and professional. This process is especially useful for emails, essays, blog posts, reports, social media captions, and any kind of writing where sentence structure matters. And that's really all there is to it. Open the full Grammarly sidebar, look for Red Correctness Alerts to fix sentence errors, and use Blue Clarity Alerts to improve sentence flow and readability. With just a few quick clicks, you can turn rough sentences into clear, well-structured writing. If this tutorial helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Grammarly tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.